Hello, today we will guide you through how to add alerts on Webull Mobile. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a simple price alert so you're notified the moment a stock or other symbol reaches a level that matters to you. Follow along on your phone, and by the end you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect. Start by opening the Webull mobile app. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom of your display. You'll see the main navigation bar. Tap the menu option there. This takes you to a hub with tools and shortcuts designed to help you move quickly through the app. If you ever feel lost, returning to this menu is a reliable way to get back on track. Inside the menu, find the section labeled Shortcuts. Tap My Alerts. This is your alert headquarters. Here you can view any alerts you've already created, check their status, and manage them later if you want to pause, edit, or remove them. For now, we'll add a fresh alert. Tap Add Alert. You'll land on the alert creation screen. The first thing to choose is the symbol you want to track. Tap to select a symbol or use the search bar to look it up. A symbol is simply the ticker for a stock, ETF, or other tradable asset. As you type, you'll see matching results. Select the one you intend to monitor. Taking a moment to confirm you've picked the correct ticker avoids confusion later. Next, enter the price that should trigger your alert. Think of this as your target level. You might place it slightly above the current price to catch a breakout, or below it to be notified of a pullback. Many users set alerts at technical levels they are watching, such as recent highs, lows, or round numbers. If options for conditions appear, choose the direction that matches your intent. For example, when price rises above or falls below your target. Precision matters, so double-check the number before continuing. When everything looks good, tap Save. You'll return to the My Alert screen, where your new alert will appear in the list. From here, you can tap into it later to adjust the price or remove it if your plan changes. When the market hits your specified level, you'll receive a notification from Webull so you can review the chart or take action according to your strategy. That's it. You've successfully created a price alert on Webull Mobile, keeping you informed without needing to stare at the screen all day.